The world's most mysterious questions include many such that have always fascinated humanity, and scientists have been trying to find answers to them for many years, but no definitive answers have yet been found. What is the meaning of life? Is there life elsewhere in this universe, or are we alone? How was our universe created? Why do we dream? Is everyone's destiny predetermined? Do we really exist, or are we just like characters in a moving film where everything is already scripted? What is the soul? These are some questions that make us ponder and challenge the boundaries of human existence and knowledge. There are many other questions whose answers we will try to explore from a scientific point of view. First, let's talk about whether God exists. We know God by many names. Almost all humans believe that the universe was created by a divine being, but there has always been disagreement among scientists on this matter. Some scientists believe in God, while others do not. However, most scientists accept that approximately 1.4 billion years ago, a massive explosion happened, which led to the creation of the universe. But why did this explosion happen? And what was before it? No one has the answer to this question, not science, nor anyone else. How did life on Earth begin? Scientists are also tangled in this subject. The worlds of the Big Bang and quantum physics are mysterious. The Earth is a livable place, with the sun at just the right distance, an atmosphere, a moon, seasons, day and night, male and female beings, and everything so orderly, as if someone deliberately designed it. All these facts lead us to think that the universe was not created by itself, but by someone, which we call God. But does God exist in this world or not? Scientists have yet to reach a conclusion on this question. Is it true that we are alone in this universe? With countless stars, galaxies, planets, and moons, is Earth the only planet where life exists? Is Earth alone at this perfect distance from the Sun? Are there no other planets with a similar environment? Or are there planets with such life that live in different environments, perhaps not needing oxygen, but some other materials? We have not yet been able to clearly understand or explain this scientifically. The universe is made of materials we see around us, which are made of atoms. But only about 5% of the universe is made of atoms. The remaining 95% is unknown to us. Scientists have discovered that most of the universe consists of two mysterious things: dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is a type of matter different from normal matter, and it holds large celestial bodies together, invisibly but strongly. Dark energy is a kind of energy that we cannot see directly, but we can observe its effects, such as the universe constantly expanding. Another big question is how consciousness works in living beings. All living beings have awareness. They can understand their environment, sense danger, feel comfort, and take protective measures. We can also question our own existence and purpose, and communicate ideas with others. These qualities make us superior beings, but we do not know how they originate or work. Our brain functions like a central computer, managing all bodily functions. Our brain has over 100 billion nerve cells that exchange signals in complex ways. However, the brain and consciousness are not the same thing. The signals do not explain how consciousness is created. This remains a mystery for us. When we understand this, perhaps we can create a computer with consciousness that can understand everything without commands. What is inside a black hole? Those curious about space know that black holes are very complex cosmic structures. The gravity inside a black hole is so intense that it pulls in even light, preventing it from escaping. If you try to send light from a flashlight over a black hole, the light will bend and fall in. We have gathered much information about black holes in recent decades, but we still do not know what lies beyond them. According to Einstein, black holes become infinitely small, but current astrophysics suggests they could be gateways to other universes. Using their immense power, we might be able to enter alternative universes where we could find answers to questions like, are we alone? Do ghosts exist? Some people claim that ghosts do exist. Some believe in spirits, while others do not. Many stories and videos of ghosts are shared online, but science has yet to find concrete evidence proving their existence. Ghosts are often considered remnants of past moments, and many devices, like electromagnetic field detectors and thermal imaging cameras, have been used to try and detect them, but nothing definitive has been found. Do you believe in ghosts? If yes, share your experiences in the comments. Another question is, why do we see dreams? Science has found out how we dream. There are even techniques in Japan that allow us to revisit our dreams repeatedly. When neurons in our brain exchange signals during sleep, we start dreaming. Some scientists believe that dreams occur when the brain is transferring information between different parts. However, this is not 100% certain. Why do we see dreams? What do they mean? And why are they so strange? Why do dreams often seem three-dimensional? We feel and perceive everything in dreams. If a dream is scary, we get frightened. If it's pleasant, we feel happy. As we experience cold in a dream, we feel cold even while sleeping. Why does all this happen? We still do not know the answers to these questions, and perhaps science may not know for the next decade or two. What happens after death? Many beliefs exist. Some say souls go to heaven or hell based on their deeds. Others believe in reincarnation, but there is little concrete evidence, more stories than proof. Modern science can predict when a person might die, but what truly happens after death remains an unsolved mystery. What leaves the body when a person dies? Where does consciousness go? These questions, once answered, might make us even more advanced, or perhaps even crazy. How did life originate on Earth? In this known universe, we have yet to find clear evidence of life's beginning. Among all the unanswered questions, the most vital is, how did humans come to Earth? Some scientists suggest that meteorites falling on Earth might have carried life. For example, meteorites from the Moon, Mars, Venus, and other planets have been found with craters indicating their fall. Those who support this theory believe that these meteorites contained essential materials for life. But then, why did life not arise on other planets where meteorites also fell? If life exists elsewhere, how did it originate? Which planets might have life now? Despite these complex questions, science has yet to provide answers. But with time, solutions will surely come. And the most fascinating question, though seemingly silly, is how do bicycle tires, so thin, stay upright when moving? Many scientists have proposed theories, but no definitive explanation exists yet. Some attribute it to the gyroscopic effect, but that's not entirely correct. The real answer involves understanding the forces acting on a moving bicycle and the calculations behind them, which is very complicated. Did any of these questions also occur to you? If so, share your thoughts in the comments.